Are you searching for dependable IT consulting in Sanibel? Look no further. Our local IT experts offer professional on-site services tailored for both homes and businesses, ensuring your tech needs are met efficiently. Our expert IT consulting services in Sanibel cater to both home and office environments. We provide personalized solutions, ensuring that your technology is optimized and secure, tailored specifically to your unique requirements. Why choose us? As a trusted IT consulting company in Sanibel, Florida, we deliver reliable solutions right at your doorstep. Our reputation is built on trust and efficiency, making us the go-to choice for many. Our comprehensive IT services include network setup and security, computer repairs, data backup and recovery, and software installation. Whatever your tech challenge, our experienced professionals are ready to tackle it with expertise. Convenience matters to us. That's why we come directly to your home or office, saving you time and ensuring seamless tech support. Our services are designed to fit into your busy schedule effortlessly. Need fast solutions? Speak to an IT expert today by calling 239-421-8187. We provide comprehensive IT support in Sanibel, ensuring your technology runs smoothly and efficiently, serving both Sanibel and surrounding areas. Visit our website at sanibelitconsultingservice.com for more details. Ready to upgrade or repair your tech? Call us now at 239-421-8187. Let's solve your IT problems today with reliable, fast, and professional services.